Peace, y'all. It's your boy Ruger Love Money back here with some more love money, quick little knowledge. Help y'all get going and stuff. You feel me? So today, I'm jump right into it. Today, I'll show you guys how to send some crypto. Right? So for this example, I'm gonna be using the crypto.com app. First off, crypto is down bad right now. But we gotta look at it as a good opportunity to buy. So first thing you wanna do, you wanna buy, connect your debit card right here, put in the amount, right? It'll tell you the dollar amount just above. And then once you do that, it should be in your wallet, right? Now to send, right, you see I have one Solana right here. To send, you hit transfer, you hit withdraw, and you hit external wallet. Now, if it's a new wallet, you need to add the wallet address here, right? You type it in there. And after you do that, it'll pop up like this, right? So I have FTX, I got Phantom, and I got Slope. So today, I'm going to be withdrawing to the Slope wallet, right? So I hit withdraw, so this is my max amount right here. Press withdraw, right? And go to confirm. Here it's going to ask for your authenticator code. Right, for crypto 030198. Boom. My withdrawal has been submitted, right? Now, just in case you guys are asking, where did I get the wallet address from? This is how I did it, right? So right here, as you can see at the top, right next to where it says total asset USD, is a set of like letters and numbers right here. That's my wallet address, right? And pretty soon, it should be coming through, right? So you take the wallet address. After you copy it, what you would do, let's go to Solana, right? Go to wallet, put transfer, either deposit or withdraw. You got the external wallet, and this is how you add the address. Add address. You just paste what you had copied from the other site. You name it, and now you continue. Alright, let's go back to the authenticator. Only thing is, when some of these addresses get put here, when they get whitelisted, it'll make you wait 1 day before you can withdraw to it. That's what I just had to do. So, hope this video helps you guys. You do the same process for MetaMask, right? You want to withdraw any Ethereum or Polygon, anything of that nature. You go here, and you scroll down where it says 0 ETH, you hit wallet, boom, then you hit transfer. And that's how you do that. Peace.